What's up, good people? Power Washer Pro GA here, man. We got some freezing temperatures coming tonight. Y'all know what that means. You gotta get those rigs right. You gotta get them right. Get that water out of those lines, man. Otherwise, you'll be in a world of trouble. Trust me when I tell you. Drain those tanks. Drain those lines. Flush those lines, those hoses and everything with air, or winterize it simply by just adding antifreeze. I like the air version myself. I've done the antifreeze in the system before. I tend to like this better, man. I'll drain it, run air through it, and then when I need it, I can just load it up with water and keep it pushing without having all that antifreeze in my system. That's just how I like to do it. Do what you please. It all works. Everybody does it the way that they want to do it. It's fine. I'm just saying this is the way that I decided to do it. I've tried both ways. Anyway, man, y'all stay tuned. Watch how I winterize this with air. Stay tuned. Air compressor end on it. You see how rusted it is. I've had this thing forever, man. And I just tapped it into my inlet for my hose coming off of the pressure washer, and getting ready to add some air to it, man. Check this out. Come over here. I got the ball valve closed, right? And then I'm just going to open it. I'm just going to force all the water out. I'm going to force all the water out. The air compressor is attached to it, flushing all the air out. I'm sorry, all the water out. That's it. You can hear the compressor running in the background. This is what I do to winterize. Once it stops coming out, I'll go by, I'll turn the ball valve to close it again, let it pressurize again, and then I'll open it up until I get little to no water left. That's it. back in the tank from the hose. You can hear it. Oh man, it's gurgling. Daggone Hudson valve came off. I didn't even know that. Guess we'll fix that while we up here. Jeez. Let's see here. See, that goes in there like so. Come on. See, it goes right down on there. Hudson valve, man. This actually shuts the water off when it gets to a certain level in the tank to keep from overflowing, wasting customers' water. Get up under here and screw this on. Hold on. Got it. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. I don't know how that came off. Can you see it? Still blowing forcing air through the system. That's why you got that leak in there. But yeah, I had to screw that back on. Somehow it came off. Going back into the tank. Let's see if we can get up here and see it. Yep. Got all the water out of the line. Tank looks pretty clean. All right. That's a wrap. Yeah, man. If you in it or you ain't, this what it take, man. Entrepreneur life. Work don't stop. Never a day off, people. Anyway, that's how I winterize my system, man. I've been doing this for a few years now. Like I said, I used to use the antifreeze and or the windshield washer fluid. Found that to be a bit, it's not expensive, but money is money. And it's always about your bottom line, man. So this is a far less expensive way to do it. It might take you a little time to get it done, but guess what? I don't mind being around a truck anytime, any day, any place. Hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. If you don't, that's fine too. Hit a like for the algorithms, and I'll see y'all next time, man. Wash on. Stay warm.